Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tricks for generating forms using Kofax, Power PDF, and Microsoft Word. So what I have open on the screen now is a Microsoft Word document that contains a title and a table consisting of different elements I want to generate into a form. So table has two columns, one column with the labels for the fields and one column where the users will be entering their data. The next thing I want to do here is go to the Kofax PDF tab up on the ribbon and select Create PDF. And this is going to generate a PDF representation of that Word document. So I select where I want to save that PDF. And now I can browse out to that folder and open up that PDF and Kofax Power PDF. So you can see this is the same document we had open in Office earlier, but now I want to turn this into a fillable PDF form. So I am going to go over to the Forms tab and select the Form Typer. What this is going to do is it's going to analyze the page and try to understand where there are blank fields that you might want to turn into fillable form elements. And you can see it successfully created these 5 different fields and labeled them according to the prompt that is on the left. At this point, I might decide that I need to make some slight adjustments here, and maybe I don't want to do that full round trip to going back to Microsoft Word and making modifications there and then pushing them here, or maybe there was an issue in that transition where it didn't create the form exactly how you want. So what I can do is if, for example, maybe we want to make this address field a little bit larger to accommodate longer addresses, is I can choose the text field tool up top. And you can see it shows me all the fields with little bars that I can grab and adjust. So maybe I want to drag this address field and make it a little bit larger. However, the problem, as you'll see, is that even though the address field is larger, there's now that column separator right in the middle of the field. Maybe I want to fix that as well. I can do that by going over to the Edit tab and selecting Edit Object. Each of these little column and row separators is a separate object inside this PDF. So I can select that item, and you can see it highlights, and then I could drag it around. In order to be precise here, instead of using the mouse, I'm going to use the arrow keys. So I hold down the left arrow key, and you can see that bar is being dragged over. And once it is in the location I like, I release it, hit escape, and now I've modified that form. Another thing I can do here is change the tab order of these fields. So when the user is tabbing through the document, maybe when we generated the form elements, they were put in the wrong order. So I can go over to the Forms tab again, and there is the Set Tab Order option. And if you select that, you will see it gives you a tip letting you know that you can double click on the first field and then click through in the order you want them to be accessed. So you can see the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that represents the current tab order. And perhaps I want to change that and I want to make the address the first field. So I double click there and that was changed to a 1, then zip, and then maybe I come back 3, 4, 5, hit escape in order, or click off to fulfill that selection. And now you'll see that if I tab through this document, it'll go in the order that I specified. Thank you for watching the video.